wonderful day. I didn't think I was going to be able to do this watch list, man. I had a very tight schedule today, and it was a real blessing at the end of the stream, man. I'm telling you, everybody turned up. So it's a miracle that I have my voice. I'm driving right now, so I'm not going to be able to look at the chat, but I am kind of a little crazy, and I was thinking about the market. So I don't know how you're going to hear this. I don't know when you're going to hear this. Again, I'm literally just not looking down, because YouTube get mad. Twitter don't care if I, but YouTube, you guys get really mad. So I'm not going to be able to see the chat. Spitball a watch list to you, man. I can't, I left the Cole real estate guys hanging. I just got out right now, like 5 minutes early. So let's hop in, man. Today was an absolutely wild day. You better go follow me on Twitter, Real Colt News. You could see some things that unfortunately we cannot put on YouTube, but we were following along with the situation. It wasn't really market moving. It had to do with the UNH CEO or one of the guys that worked there. It pretty much left. It was a very wild, bizarre thing that happened today. And when it's all said and done, though, it didn't even affect the stock. So that was one part of it. And then you had Jerome Powell. There was something else that, because it affected us at the beginning of the week, but simply put, Powell at the deal book was it done right when he said neutral, or where neutral rate was. That's where we had that like weird little reaction. But other than that, bro, it was the same Powell. They wasted his time with the is Donald gonna fire you, or is Donald gonna fire the Fed independent? Is Donald fire you? What about immigration? What about tariffs? Literally the same thing every time, bro. So the neutral rate question got it. He kind of explained why he cut rates in you know, he explained why he was cutting rates in September, right before the election, as well as to even explain. He brought up Europe, which I think is weird. Stoplight. Honestly, I thought I was gonna get way more traffic than this, bro. That's why I was like, let me pull up the watch list, bro. But fact of the matter is, the other part of today, it was Germany, or excuse me, France. So that no confidence vote failed or it succeeded. I don't know. It's like a double negative. So it's mad confusing. So is no confidence approval good or bad? I don't know, man. Fact of the matter is, it was like your second time, I think, in France's history that you had a what's it called? That you had a no confidence vote. It's actually kind of crazy. Even the history of France isn't it called the Fifth Republic? I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but it's pretty wild. And why this is what I think could actually cause a little bit of headwinds because everybody was focused on Powell, and then one more thing which we'll talk about. But when it's all said and done, we started off this week with the France debacle, and now, like I told you guys, France bond yields go above Italy or Greece. That's kind of wild. So we'll see how it plays out tomorrow. But that could be a potential headwind, but there's no other data. You're going to get import export data in the morning, which could cause an effect, jobless claims. But even today, the ADP was good. And if you didn't see it, bonds rallied like crazy. It was off of the services. ISM services, like I told you guys, ISM, it has the ability to, you have the ability to move the bonds more than the damn CPI from time to time. So I thought that was very interesting. But other than that, the final piece of tomorrow, man. And again, if you saw it, everything went up today. Every single thing went up. It was kind of everything everywhere all at once, even though the tech stocks started kind of like outpacing. It was everything today. And then, the cherry on top of everything, my brother, you know what it was? Crypto. Damn Bitcoin, bro. That was absolutely insane. I'm telling you, it was absolutely crazy because Ethereum finally got in the game. It started to move up. Ethereum Classic, all the Ethereum-based dinos started moving with it. Ripple, Stellar, it wasn't about them today. It was about Bitcoin. Bitcoin futures hit 100K. So we'll see where it takes us, man. But that, I think, is going to be in effect. So even then, I don't know. I just weird without the keys, bro. I'm telling you, I'm not even looking at the chat, you guys. I'm driving, so I don't want to mess up this car if I got to give it to one of y'all. So, ooh, Oh, about to block the intersection. Okay, I'm good. Hey, man. See, right when I didn't even look at the chat, I just stopped. But I have a lot on my mind. I've been thinking about the market. I couldn't leave y'all hanging like that. So when it's all said and done, that was the first big part. But now let us get into the plays. So right off the bat, MSTR, dude, I can't believe that wild play from yesterday. It worked. We were down on it most of the day. So if you want to gamble on crypto or MSTR, wait till my play goes down 50%. And the next crypto rally, I think you'll make money in the short run, because that's literally, those plays were down 30-40%. And then right when Powell started speaking, right when crypto went crazy, they popped up like 20-30% max on, or 50%, I think, on the day at one point. And then it came down. But fact of the matter is, if crypto breaks out, everything rallied today. It was everything everywhere all at once. If we get that tomorrow, we'll see what happens with frames. I don't know. I got to check it now. I mean, I'm driving and streaming now. So, but I'm going to go see what the Asian markets are doing with crypto right now, because that'll be big. But other than that, that is going to be play number one. Then play number two, there was a lot of big earnings that gave up this morning. PSTG, who was the other one? Okta and CRM, but they wanted to move, man. And you guys hear that? I thought I was about to get pulled over with sirens. I said, "Oh, damn, that's deep." No, it was an ambulance. But like I'm saying here, all these earnings plays, bro. I feel like they wanted to move. Volume was low though. I don't know if you guys realize Mag 7 volume is down like 50%. So even after the holidays and all of that, it's actually kind of wild how it's all playing out. So there was that part. But I think all of the post earnings, the CRMs went up. The Octas didn't hit, man. I'm sorry, but I mean, welcome to the game. And what I mean by that, just as always, bro, I don't make the rules. I have to follow them. And the rules are, if it's pricing in 5, 10, 15, and it moves less than that, you're gonna lose on both sides, homie. It don't matter, call, put, you can make the money or lose the money both ways, always. So just don't forget that, because that's what happened. Octa was up 20% by the time it opened. That thing was up 7%, 6%. Same thing, CRM was 2 standard deviations pre-market. By the time the bell rang, that thing was only at 6%. So that's the problem with it. But I would watch out for that. But I think all of those plays will be able to go. And then other than that, man, just once again, I do think tomorrow, if this one's a 50-50. We got to see which one moves. But really, I'm going to have a live watch list tomorrow. We're going to go over the non-farms, because that's the big data event now. That Powell was a disappointment. But the whole fact of the matter is, bonds, shy, TLT, that could either be the winner tomorrow or France. Winner or loser, you could still make a play on it. But like I'm saying, if we wake up to more choppiness due to the Europeans, I mean, there could be plays. You kind of saw how Korea played out. So crypto, post earnings play, little bit of bonds, and global, man, France. That's about it, man. So Chatadonia, I don't know. I think that's it. I just speed ran the watch list with no keys, no computer. I didn't even look at you guys once. I'm sorry. I treated y'all like girls at the gym. My bad. I acted like y'all did not exist. You know that? I just looked away. I looked away, bro. I do, bro. And I have gym stories to tell you already. See, but at the end of the day, man, if I have more for you, I want to sit here. Okay, I'm at a stoplight. Let's see the chat. But if I have more, y'all just still trying to figure out this car, huh? Y'all crazy. Y'all crazy. That's it. That's what you got out of this. I just freestyled a whole watch list to you, like I'm damn Juice World. And right now, literally, it's on point too. You can fact check it, bro. And you're gonna be like, yo, what kind of? Do you know what? That's porcelain, dog. Do you know that? Oh shit. I think I just put that bitch in reverse. But yeah, that's porcelain, dog. You won't find this. Whatever car you think this don't exist anymore. You know that, right? This car is not even that cool, but it is. But yeah, you can't find it. I got porcelain. This is a literal toilet in my whip. They don't know about that. Yeah, wait, where's crypto at? Tell me, what's Bitcoin in come on, give me a quote right now. You my what's it called? You my stock world. My stockbroker. What do you got? 98K? What about Ethereum? Give me Ethereum price. All right, I'm moving again though. We're distracted. Well, I don't know. I don't know, man. I hope you guys like the what's it called? Actually, I have an idea, because I'm almost home. I gotta just drive up this big ass hill. I might lose service though. Fuck, I'm gonna lose service at one point. So whenever I lose service, don't leave and I'll stay. But if not, then I'll just end it. I still got a couple minutes. 3.8. Ooh, we could do better. We could. I want four. I want to see four on that. But it's a rare car, one of a kind, the best car even, I tell you. Yeah, this is alive, very live, the most live. Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't even think I've been this live before. I've never been live while being live, talking to the live like this. I'm telling you, these people. I'm in sport mode. How do I do that? I gotta get out of sport mode. But here's what I'll do, because you guys asked me this while I was driving, right? You remember someone requested this week. They said, go make me a philo video about philo on the channel, the main channel, and talk about it. So can I give you guys a philo? Can I give you guys a philo? I would love to give you a car philo so that I have time to answer your questions at the end of it. It's not even a philo. I mean, it is, but it isn't. It's trading psychology, life and business psychology. This was my shower thought of the day. You know that? I'll talk about it tomorrow, but it's very simple, bro. I really feel like a lot of us, and it's not just in our community, but like in our generation, in our world. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm thinking big, and I'm thinking the world, bro. I'm thinking the consciousness of everybody. Uh, I don't know if we blame our parents, if we blame the environment, whatever it may be, but it's very, very simple. I think we have a problem with with excitement. I don't even think it's a problem because I think excitement is a good thing. And hopefully you see how I'm gonna tie this into trading. Let's see how smart you are. But it's just real. Like I think we have a problem managing excitement. So that's your little mini trade philo for now. And I think about it. It does relate to emotional regulation, but it is a specific focus on and understanding. And honestly, I think this could and maybe it'll help you out or give you a challenge of some sort. But when it's all said and done, I really want you to like ask yourself how you react when you're excited, and look at what you do and look at your behavior. And honestly, bro, or somebody was like overly excited with you and it kind of like turned you off, and vice versa. Maybe you were like overly excited with somebody and then they just like ghosted you. Or let me give you a bet. Have any of you ever been so excited you said something and you didn't really mean to say it like that, but it sounded like that, but you were so excited that you said it? I mean, have you ever been so excited that you made so much money trading that you're like, I'm gonna go and make the biggest trade of my life tomorrow? Uh, so are you following me? So I think in your business, this is important too. I don't know what type of business you guys are running. I know we got a couple restaurant owners, we got a couple of people selling products, drop shippers. You guys even got random ass companies too that are in fields that I'm like, damn, bro, it's actually impressive. So good for you. But you guys got to think about it. Getting excited when you meet people. I just have to go through a meeting. I got to get some closing docs and do some other things. But like, you can't get excited when you meet people. I know that may sound weird, but like for real, you ever meet you like this guy's gonna take my business to the no, he's not. And if he is, don't get too excited, or it might backfire, or you may realize that the lag. Again, I'm not telling you not to be excited. This is coming from a crackhead like myself. I'm so excited. I get out of a meeting. I'm supposed to be losing my voice right now, and I'm telling y'all all of this stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys think about this, because again, even on the core level of trading, man, if you have not figured this out yet, or if you haven't pinpointed that maybe excitement is like literally, there's excitement to the downside too, right? I don't know. Like, I feel like what's the opposite of excitement? Like negative. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm about to make $1 million, but when you start losing money, you feel something sometimes. No, you're not, liar. You know what I'm saying? But like that's for the reverse. It manifests itself in many different ways. So I hope you guys are feeling me on this. But this was something I was thinking about this because I was like, damn, I had I remember I've been excited before. I was thinking of opportunities I missed, and I was like, I remember meeting excited ass people, and like there was like a limit where I was like, hold on. But then I'm seeing how some people, I'm like, man, I wonder how that relationship would have developed or not. I'm not talking like hoes, bro. I'm talking like people, like, you know what I'm saying? Relationship, because some people I've met in my life and I'm so grateful for them, and I'm like, damn. But I remember like the excitement, like they were kind of weird at first. And if I didn't handle that excitement, or if they didn't handle it, it's like I was thinking about those possibilities. Again, I could only imagine, bro, what I would have done to my long term if I got too excited. I could actually see some evidence of getting too excited, and then I could see evidence to the downside as well too. So I don't know if you feel me or not, bro. So hold on, it's about to cut out, bro. Give me like, it's gonna cut out in 60 seconds. I'm gonna get into the driveway, and once I'm parked and locked and loaded away, I'll what's it called? I'll answer some questions there. Is that a cop? Oh no! Oh my gosh, dude. I'm like, Chad, you guys are bad luck. I'm like, no way, homie just followed me. Wild. I tell you, I think I saw the gym again. Remember I told you that cop told me, and then the next damn day, I saw this homie at the gym, and I flexed on him. I'm not gonna lie. I flexed on him by not looking at him. He was right there, and all I did was just press, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's it. I just made sure. All right, it's gonna cut out soon. Stay. Don't leave unless you gotta go. But it's gonna cut out. It always cuts out here. Man, I gotta hear the other song. There's a cool song you haven't heard yet. Doot, doot. Are you here? It should come back any second. It'll clap when I connect to my driveway. Merry Chrism. I wish I had the bells in the car. Okay. I feel like that's how Bitcoin down every time it gets near 100K. That's it. And then Michael Saylor leverages another like 30 billion. Oh shit. I'm mad close. Nice. It's okay. If I crash it, I'm giving it to you, bro. So don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me. Okay. All right. Whew. Man, bro. What is that? All right, bro. So before I head out, what do we got? Now I can look at the chat. I mean, I'm parked away. I'm safe and sound. So what's up, baby? Octo is a big blue ball. Okay, it's a great way to start this off. Yeah, I talked about it, but that's just the game, man. We got to get. That's why we have trauma. If you have never had earnings trauma, now you know these plays, and like half the time we write, they just hose. It's very simple. If it prices in 10 and it moves 9, you lose all your money on both sides. What car is it? It's your car. That's all I could say. That's all I could say. It is your car. Well, I have nothing else. That's it. Porcelain. That's all. This is all porcelain. It's the coolest thing because I thought they were going to keep doing it like this, but then they discontinued it all of a sudden. So I was like, damn, this car just got rare. But as somebody who's a little weird and flamboyant, I like this porcelain, bro. Crypto Korean show. Bro, there was no. No. Am I live still? Am I back? Oh yeah, bro. They're always trying to clap me. What the hell? I think it probably switched to my Wi-Fi. Yeah. Well, either way, what were we saying? Well, I forgot what that question was. Was I saying porcelain? Oh, Mickey D's. No, I gotta eat good, bro. I did legs today. Dude, can I just remind y'all something? Yo, short people, fellow comrade here. Yo, where my short dumb mother effers? I need y'all to wake up right now. You 5'6", man. I'll even include the 5'7s and below. Okay? I'm just here, bro. I'm here to just tell you, you short guys, you could get ripped in 3 months. You know that, right? Just I don't know. I was gonna make AI do the math because these tall mother effers, they gotta they gotta lift the weights like more duration. You know what I'm saying? Like, so they do, by the time you do one rep, by the time they do one, if you scale it out over math, after a couple of years, bro, you doing like 30%, 40% more reps than them. I'm just telling you right now, short mother effers, my fellow brother, you go to the gym 4 days a week, 5 days a week for 3 months, you will be jacked. I hate to break it to you. It's really not that hard. 3 months, one quarter, from this earnings to the next earnings. That's it. It's a realization. Yeah, ah, yo, oh my gosh, why is it so dark? Oh shit, automated, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Chad. Oh shit, I can't see shit. I can't see apps. Oh man, where the fucking lights, bro? Okay, where the fucking garage opener? Oh, dude. Oh, yeah, lights went out. All right, bro. Yeah, this is getting some Blair Witch Project shit right now, bro. So, all right, man. Any final question? I'm gonna leave it 20 minutes just so the people can see it, bro. I kind of enjoy the dark. I don't know, but the light is better, you know. Amen. What is good, bro? I like praying in the dark room sometime. So I'm scared of the dark. No, I'm very reactive. If you couldn't tell, I like screaming is my default reaction. This is why they don't take me out in public. Look behind you. I have a gun. It's okay. But I'm not, unless that was some UNH and they gonna tell me that wasn't a pro, go ahead. But I'm just saying, I'm not, I'm not like, and I don't even like screw people over on their insurance premiums. You know that? Like, I'm not even like tripping on any, I'm not, my biggest enemy is the guy who got mad at me for like telling him not to go and buy a shit coin. Like, that's, like, so I'm good, but I don't know what I've done to deserve some of this shit. But hey, either way, point is, you guys threw me off with the final question, but I want a good final question because I want y'all to just 22 minutes. That's it. Quick. Off the dome. You don't get any written keys. I hope you enjoyed the visual. I'm literally just sitting in the dark right now. If y'all don't, that's it, man. I'm just me and my cult doing some culty things, bro. Y'all will never understand. They don't get it, bro. So give me one last one, baby. Give me one last one, but you'll have time to go back, man. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. At what price am I adding UPS? It's the price is one thing, Habibi. The rest is relative. So like, let me just put it this way. If the girl you always wanted started hitting you up all of a sudden, but then 10 other girls that you never knew you really wanted but were way better started hitting you. You see what I'm saying? It's all relative. So price is one thing. I get interested in price, that'd be down. But all I'm saying is if all the other ones, you mean to tell me Selena trying to propose to me? I mean, okay, then UPS is out of the question. I know, you know what I'm saying? So it all depends relative, but I like it where it's at. I would love it $10 more lower, like around 120 flat, 118, but I mean it's not bad around here. I mean, again, and that's why relativity comes into play. And then you got to do it. No, no, none of that. Pow Pow will give a hint. Yes, I think I said it by spring. I'm expecting that we get I'm expecting by spring a potential Powell hawkish shift. So the insight that I could give you, it's not about predicting, it's about the time frame. It's ironically, I'm usually really early, but what I'm giving you is some very crucial info related to the timing of it. So right now it's looking like spring around between like March or really like May, June, Powell will probably flip hawkish. Now, that could be incorrect, but if we're going to look for any sort of shift in policy or anything or Powell, I think it's going to be around spring. So keep it in mind. Hold me to it. Let's see how it plays out, and then we'll go from there. But it's more about the timing more so than the prediction. I hope that helps. That's a great way to end it. I love you, baby. God bless Chattadonia. Thank you guys for today, bro. I thought, again, I'm gonna push this until I thought my voice would be gone already, but it's out here. Yeah, I got it. I listen. You on? That's for a big homie out there. He told me, bro. I got you. I got you, bro. Mm-hmm. But Chad, I love you. Mwah. I will see you on the watch list tomorrow. Have a good evening. You can watch this back again. The first like to 15 minutes, all just the econ info. So I hope it helps, man. I'll see y'all in the morning. Let's have a good one, and let's see Korea